A hippie walks on a bus and sees a nun. Being the straightforward kind of guy he is, he says, "Hey baby, want to have?" The nun says, "God, no!" So she gets off the bus angry. When the hippie is about to get off the bus driver asks him, "Hey man, you see that graveyard across the street?" The hippie goes, "Yeah, I see it. What about it?" Well, every Tuesday night at 8:30, the nun goes to the top of the hill to pray. If you dress up as a ghost and tell her to have with you, she will have to. The hippie replied, "Sweet." So Tuesday night comes and the hippie has a ghost costume. 8:30 comes and here comes the nun. The hippie pops out and says, "I am the ghost of a man buried here and I command you to with me." The nun goes, "Well, okay, but I have a virgin aspect, so it has to be oral." So the nun and the hippie have oral sex. And the hippie runs away and says, "Ha ha ha, I was actually the hippie." And the nun said, "Ha ha ha, I'm actually the bus driver."